Today, we're about to embark on a mouth-watering expedition into the fascinating history of one of Italy's culinary treasures, risotto. But before we dive into the creamy goodness, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Trust me, you won't want to miss a single bite. Now, let's unravel the tantalizing tale behind risotto. Our story begins in the rolling hills of northern Italy, where the magic of risotto first took root. Meet our culinary hero, Arborio Rice. Picture fields of vibrant green, where the short-grain arborio rice thrives under the Italian sun. But why this specific rice, you ask? Arborio rice, with its plump, round grains, has a unique ability to absorb liquids while maintaining a satisfying al dente texture. It's like the rice variety was tailor-made for the symphony of flavors we know as risotto. Flashback to the 14th century. Italy was buzzing with culinary innovation. Arborio rice emerged as the chosen one, setting the stage for a revolution in the world of grains. It wasn't just rice. It was the key to unlocking a world of creamy, velvety goodness in every spoonful of risotto. But how did this rice revolution happen? Well, the cultivation and processing of arborio rice became an art form in itself, ensuring that each grain carried the potential to transform into a delectable dish that would stand the test of time. Fast forward to the opulent courts of Renaissance Italy, where art, culture, and, of course, cuisine flourished. Picture this: lavish banquets, ornate table settings, and at the center of it all, a steaming bowl of risotto. Risotto wasn't just a dish. It was a culinary masterpiece, a symbol of indulgence that transcended the ordinary. The elite craved not only the creamy texture and rich flavor but also the status that came with serving this dish at their grand feasts. Rumor has it that the popularity of risotto soared because it became the ultimate status symbol. If you wanted to impress your guests and cement your place among the elite, risotto was the dish to serve. It wasn't just about the taste, it was about making a statement. Imagine the aromas wafting through the air, the clinking of goblets, and the murmurs of delight as diners savored each spoonful of risotto. It wasn't just a meal. It was an experience, a culinary journey that transported you to a world of extravagance. You've probably heard that risotto requires constant attention. Some might call it high maintenance. We call it love in motion. The rhythmic stirring awakens the starches, creating that signature creamy texture. It's like a culinary dance. And who doesn't love a good dance in the kitchen? You see, risotto is not just an Italian affair. It's a culinary chameleon that has adapted and evolved around the world. Our first stop: Spain. Say hello to the saffron-infused sensation known as paella. It's like risotto's spirited cousin, boasting bold flavors, vibrant colors, and a fiesta of ingredients that dance on your palate. The Spanish took the risotto concept and gave it a flamenco twist. And now, let's hop across to Asia, where the sea whispers secrets to the rice. Imagine a bowl filled with the essence of the ocean, seafood risotto. From succulent prawns to tender squid, it's a maritime symphony that proves risotto has truly set sail to conquer the taste buds of the world. But what makes these international variations still risotto, you ask? It's the spirit of experimentation and the love for that creamy, comforting base. Whether it's exotic spices, regional herbs, or unique proteins, each country adds its own twist while honoring the essence of risotto. From the cobblestone streets of Italy to the bustling markets of Asia, risotto has become a universal language of flavor, connecting food lovers around the world. And there you have it. The savory journey of risotto from humble beginnings to international stardom. What's your favorite risotto recipe? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your fellow foodies, and subscribe for more mouth-watering tales. Until next time, keep those pots stirring and those taste buds exploring. Ciao!